I'm looking at the Bosch angle grinder. This is for home and garden. So I'm going to have a look what we get in the box, and then I shall set it up and give it some simple tests. Guard, got the manual here. It's multilingual, so I think it'll just be listing parts really. Yep. We've got the handle and the tool to remove the disc, tighten the disc, and locking plates. Technical name for this. Here's the actual grinder. Got a reversible handle, so that will just screw on both sides. Clockwise. Yeah. Really solid. Let's see the adjustment for the guard. Just put that on. So where are we? There we go. That locks in place. That's fairly solid. Anyway, I've got a disc. I'll pull a disc out and I'll give it a quick test on a few things and come back with that. I'm just going to try it here with a couple of scrap bits of wood. I put a Bosch disc on it. This is a multi-purpose disc. You got the locking button on the top to tighten it up, and I should give it a go. There's a couple of nails in there and a screw. Cut them off and then cut through the wood. See how that goes. And I've got a bit of pipe as well. No problem, nice and powerful, and you got the quick, you can move the guard, slides round to the angle you want. It says quick movement, but it's a bit stiff, but then it's a bit new. Anyway, I'll just tighten a bit of pipe so it gets on there. No problem there. And I shall use it on a few more things. I've got a couple of projects, and then I shall come back with my full written review.